It is a very windy day. We have storms coming, and it's nice right now because the wind is cool and the sun isn't out. So it's a good time to work outside. Today we're building tomato cages. I probably could just go buy them, but it always adds more meaning to your work when you use supplies that you built or harvested or found yourself. At least that's how I feel. It's been very stormy. I guess it's just that time of year. So all these sticks were just supplied to us on our front lawn. So I think I'll leave these because that will help hold the thread. My tomatoes grew a lot faster than I thought they would because this bale is so warm inside. It absorbs heat and holds heat. Yeah, we could use that. I need my stool. My trusty wood stump. Alright, so I'm just gonna trim these pieces to the length I need. Look at that. It's like this was made. It's like the stick was specifically made for this very project. So, cut that. This is like some outdoorsy version of crocheting. And that will be the first one. Feels really nice to be able to build something on your own and not have to rely on Home Depot or Lowe's. Like I could grab a couple dowels probably. They're pretty cheap, but it's so much more enjoyable to just go to your front lawn and pick up some sticks. And they have more character that way. This isn't any special weaving technique, obviously. I'm just wrapping these around tight. Oh, I love this. Look at this. That looks so much better than wooden dowels. It's so pretty. It's like building a puzzle too. They're not just all symmetrical, they're each a little bit different. Right there, and I want to make sure I have enough length because tomato plants get 3 or 4 feet tall sometimes. I can't even look up with this sun. So bright. These aren't all the same length. Nothing's the same, but that doesn't matter. This will work. Is that too high, too low, too short? I'm gonna try to help everything that I have grow up because we've got some serious growth potential in this garden with cucumbers, cauliflower, not cauliflower. Cauliflower doesn't get that big. Cucumbers are massive plants, watermelon, cantaloupe, all the melons. They're gonna grow. They're gonna grow big. I really like the way this is looking. For now, that'll do. I might need to put another stick later across the top. Join these all together. And I'll just attach this with a nice little knot. I think that's it for this cage. Give it a little knot. Thanks for watching.